Hi guys, this is Bett&win. Welcome back again to my channel. So let me just drop this here. This is the app I've been telling you guys that always bring this winning. So this is the one I played today. This is a 2.65 odd. So this is one I play. So I stake 200k on it. So you can see the return here, 529k. That is the return of it. So this app, the only thing you need, there is no more stress on this app. The only thing you need is just have space on your phone, download it, sign in with your email. That's all. Then have connection, data connection that you'll be using to browse exactly what you want on this app. From Monday to Sunday, you can get your games fixed without any stress. You can just pick your games from Monday to Saturday, a running ticket, or weekend like this, maybe Saturdays or Fridays or Sundays. You can use it to pick your games. But there is no any day I can use it to pick games, whether it's on football, tennis, or basketball. Anything concerning games, this app is ready to give you without any stress. The only thing you need is make sure you have enough space on your phone to allow the app to work perfectly. Then have data connection that you'll be using to get your search anything you need concerning games. It will give you results and the keywords you are going to use. So one thing you need is just download the app, install it, then make sure you have space, then sign in with your email. That's all. That is the only thing this app wants. It doesn't stress to search or get everything you need. Once it give you the result of what you ask for, whether for example both into score option, it show you the teams that can get that for that day. Then you go to your favorite site and pick them according to how the app predicts for you. Everything the app will explain whether the teams are informed, how they are on the table, everything. To explain it to you. Their last matches, their last match scores, everything you need to know. Just ask this app. This app will get it for you. So the app is easy to use. Just have enough space on your phone to allow the app to work perfectly. That is how this app works. So in case you need the app, you can get me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527, or it's the same number showing on your screen here. All right, guys, this is Bett&win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe, and also turn on that bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop new videos. All right, guys, see you on the next video. Zoom Soccer coming on the next video. All right, guys, have a wonderful weekend.